Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are extending a landscape sky using the clone stamp tool. Start by enlarging the canvas size above your photo. Select the clone stamp tool and choose a big brush softly. Hold Alt and sample an area from the super sky, being painting upward into the blank space. Move the brush slowly to blend the gradient naturally. Adjust opacity if the sky looks too harsh. Clone from different sky zones for smooth transitions. Use lighter tones near the top for realistic atmosphere. Clone clouds gently to maintain texture's flow. If needed, apply a light blur for sky softness. Check horizon alignment before seeing your work.